The Philippine Navy showcased various types of drones which they describe vital in boosting the country's defense amid the unpredictable situation in the Indo-Pacific region. Our Harley Valbuena has the details in this story.
Multiple kinds of drones were on display at the first ever Drone Warfare Summit in the Philippines held in Subic, Zambales. AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. led the closing ceremony of the 3-day event at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. General Browner said use of advanced and modern technology is crucial in the country's defense amid the changing environment in the Indo-Pacific region.
On land, drones and unmanned ground vehicles help us gather information, improve logistics, and fight with greater precision. In the air, drones work alongside manned aircraft to extend our reach and keep our archipelago safe. At the sea, unmanned surface and underwater vehicles grow our surveillance and defense far beyond our shores.
The Drone Summit aims to enhance maritime patrols of the Philippine Navy amid ongoing tensions in the West Philippine Sea.
How drone warfare is not the future, but a critical element that continues to redefine the modern battlefield. Such developments must also push the Philippine Navy and our armed forces as a whole to transform the way we think, plan, and operate across all domains.
Foreign drone manufacturers also participated in the summit, such as America and Ukraine. The Drone Summit is also a part of pushing for a future-ready national defense. General Browner said this will be achieved through the implementation of the Self-Reliant Defense Posture Act.
This growth that we are experiencing now improves our ability to act quickly and strongly, no matter the challenge that we face in our environment, whether it is man-made or natural.
The AFP chief mulls elevating the country's defense industry and hopes when the time comes, the Philippines will be the one exporting weapons and other defense equipment to other nations. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.